Welcome back to the Toggled IQ Product Education Series. In this session, you'll learn about testing and verification. Installation optimization. Your Toggled IQ system has now been installed and commissioned. Before leaving the project site, ensure each of the devices and areas are working at optimal levels with 3 simple steps. Step 1, verify grouping and control. Step 2, ensure network performance. And Step 3, conduct sensor testing. Step 1, verify grouping and control using the Toggled IQ mobile app. In the app, select an area, turn the area on, verify all lights and controllers turn on, turn the area off. Verify all lights and controllers turn off or on and respond accordingly. Lights or controllers are set up with a minimum trim and properly go to their established minimum brightness levels. There are no unintended light or controller changes. This would indicate an undesired or unintended grouping. Verify grouping and control using the Toggled IQ switch. Using a switch installed in the area, turn the area on with the switch. Verify all lights and controllers turn on. Turn area off with the switch. As you would with the mobile app, verify all lights and controllers turn off or on and respond accordingly. Lights or controllers are set up with a minimum trim and properly go to their established minimum brightness levels. There are no unintended light or controller changes. Verification Pro Tips. Area lighting controllers, by default, have a programmed delay when turning off to allow 0 to 10 volt dimmable loads to fade before disconnecting power. It is normal for the controller relay to take about 2 seconds after commanding the device off. This delay is programmable. For non-dimmable loads, the delay can be disabled. Turning all lights on and verifying they all turn on, then turning all lights off and verifying they all turn off is a quick way to verify basic functionality. To test occupancy vacancy controls, set the vacancy delay to the 6-minute minimum and confirm the lights turn off when the room is unoccupied. Remember to set the desired duration when completed. Use the button to engage sensor test mode. Step 2. Ensure network performance using the device ping report in the Toggled IQ app. You can use the device ping report to verify connectivity of completed installations, all commissioned devices, to diagnose suspected connectivity or latency issues, to determine whether specific devices are online or operational. Locating the device ping report. In the Toggled IQ app, select the relevant network from the main hierarchy. Scroll down and select Device Ping Report. Using the Device Ping Report. The Device Ping Report will populate a list of all the device network IDs. Each ID will be queried 3 times to confirm the device is reachable and responsive. For large networks with hundreds of devices, the report may take 15 minutes or longer. The bridge connection used for the test will impact the results. A poor bridge connection may result in poor results. Run the test from a location close to several devices in the network for the best bridge connection. Understanding the results. For devices within the same room or adjacent rooms, ping times should be less than 1,000 milliseconds. Ping times longer than 1,000 milliseconds may indicate connectivity issues. Ping times for devices further away may be longer as the message must be repeated and propagated through more repeating devices. Ping failures indicate that a device did not reply to one or more of your queries. This typically means the device is not powered or there is a gap in mesh coverage making the device unreachable. You can combine the device ping report with the physical location of devices to identify gaps in mesh network connectivity. Devices A and B are separated from devices C and D by a reinforced wall. Running a device ping report when bridged to device A will show reliable connections to device A and device B, but device C and D will fail. Running a device ping report when bridged to device D will show reliable connections to device C and D, but A and B will fail. To improve mesh network connectivity and resolve issues presented by the reinforced wall, device E and device F are added to the installation. Running device ping reports from the two different locations shows successful communication with all devices from both locations. This confirms the connectivity issues have been resolved. Network Performance Pro Tips. Run the device ping report from multiple locations. The report and results are with respect to the device bridge connection. Reports taken from multiple locations will provide different results and provide clues where a problem lies. Export reports to CSV files for future reference and for potential troubleshooting with toggled IQ support. Step 3. Conduct sensor testing. Validate sensor operation and performance in each area by using the sensor report in the Toggled IQ app. Using the sensor report. Verify the quantity of sensors found in the physical space correlates with the quantity in the app area. Verify sensors detect motion when the room is occupied. Verify sensors do not detect motion when the room is vacant. Ambient light, temperature, humidity, and sensor battery voltage are also provided in the sensor report. Using the sensor report. Complete the commissioning for a room, including any controllers, lights, or sensors. While physically in the room, select the corresponding area in the app. Select Sensor Report, and the report will begin collecting data. Sensors report data on 5-minute intervals by default. All sensors should report data within 5 minutes. Walk around the room and verify each sensor in the space is reporting motion. Leave the room. After 5 minutes, all sensors should start reporting no motion. Interpreting the results. If sensors do not detect motion while the room is occupied, check placement and verify the sensor address indicated in the report corresponds to one of the sensors physically in the room. If sensors detect motion when the room is vacant, verify sensors are away from any potential sources of interference, HVAC inlets or outlets, high-powered wireless devices, sources of movement or vibration. Sensor Testing Pro Tips. If your controllers or smart lights are staying on when the room is vacant and sensors are performing as expected, be sure vacancy timeout for that room or device is enabled. Vacancy timeout must be set to turn off controllers or lights automatically after the room becomes vacant. If your controllers or smart lights are not turning on automatically upon occupancy and sensors are performing as expected, be sure the occupancy mode for that room or device is enabled. Occupancy mode must be enabled to turn controllers and lights on automatically during occupancy. Thank you for completing this session. We hope you better understand testing and verification. Let's test your knowledge.